video, and it's Saturday the 14th of December. I thought we'd start with FTSE just quickly this morning. Interesting signal yesterday. As I mentioned earlier in the week, I'm developing a new trading system. I'm calling it the 1 minute system. The basic idea is to take 40 points plus out of the market on a preferably daily, but that won't work, basis. Build up size, so you're trading £20-30 a point based on your success, to bring in a sort of regular income of maybe 1,000 a day. That's the sort of basic aim. One of the things I saw yesterday, in fact I had catastrophic computer problems yesterday, so I didn't actually trade this, but look at the 5 minute bar. The first bar was actually a strong sell signal in the sense that we had the open in the top third of the bar, the close in the bottom of the bar, but then we saw a false break, and the whole rally that followed, which is a significant rally on FTSE, developed from that false break below the first 5 minute bar. And this is the kind of thing I look for really, because one thing markets do is they do change the rules. And if you see a signal like this with a strong thrust, I mean this is a strong buy signal. So having seen the strong sell signal, it was overruled by that buy signal, and then of course obviously confirmed by the subsequent action. But that's the kind of thing I'm looking for, because when you see that kind of signal, which is a reversal of what people expect, it tends to be much stronger because so many people have been wrong-footed in the first place. Anyway, let's have a look at the longer-term picture on. Right, this is the hourly chart. So we saw the big 4 down to 7,000, 5 goes up to there, I think, followed by an A, B, C, so an irregular 2 wave, now a 1, 2, 3 perhaps, with a 4 coming in. But it looks set to make highs above 7,450 and a continuing rally into the end of the new year, I think. Looking at the DAX, here's a longer term picture. This is a daily chart. So we had what I'm calling a huge 4 at the beginning of 2019, a 1, regular 2, now we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, so it looks like we've got this 5th wave coming in now, so it may be a bit of a hangover in the new year. Let's have a look at the action since the 4 wave low. Well, currently it looks like we have a 1 maybe to there, 2, could be a 1, 2, 3, 4 perhaps, 5 to come in. That will be the end of wave 3. That'll be a bit of a hiccup, and a 5th wave due perhaps. That would then give us a major peak, I think, as I say. So I think we've got markets going up into New Year, but with some kind of a setback at that point. Well, the Dow has a similar pattern, with a 1 here, 2. Hard to count some days. I mean that's a 1, 2, 1, 2, maybe a 3. Then that's gone down below the 1. It's not easy to work out how these patterns are developing at the moment, on this market. But looking good for a rally at the moment. Strong buying spike back there. So I think we're going up at the moment. So I'll look at it again once we have a clearer picture. Right, gold, no change here. We've got the A, the B, and I think an ABC is forming. Made a brief new highs, I think probably yesterday. Quickly fell back though. So I'm still looking for a move down to around 14.12. The 61, the 50% retracement from the rally. So it's been a fairly prolonged decline there since September. So it's in its 3rd month at the moment. Sorry, 4th month at the moment, and I had to wait for the new year, I think, before we see the lows on here, and silver is looking the same. Bitcoin, also no change of opinion. We've got the 5 waves up, rising wedge, could be an ABC, but now I'm looking at it being, if not the beginning of a strong impulsive move, I would think it's certainly the A wave of an ABC, because we have this this corrective move here, AB. I mean that could be C, but this action here is really not very conclusive. We're not getting the kind of action I'd expect at an important low. I mean, not impossible. Markets like to deceive their behaviour, but I'm monitoring this very carefully. We got a spike there, but it's just drifted sideways. Then we've got a spike here, but again, at this point, not too much has happened since. Right, that's all for today. If that's interesting and useful, I'll be back with a report for subscribers on Tuesday. Have a great weekend. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.